All right, we're going to show you guys how to use the kiosk clock-in for Clockshark. The purpose of this is so that we can have a device, an iPad or a phone on a job site in the gang box or the job trailer where all employees can go to clock in and out of from the same device. Or kiosk also allows a project or manager or a foreman to turn their phone into a kiosk where other employees can clock in and out using the foreman's phone. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the foreman or the project manager is going to go to Clockshark on their phone. You can see that I'm currently clocked in, and that's fine. It's going to keep tracking my time. But to enter kiosk mode, I want to hit the menu top 3 bars up on the top left corner, and I want to press kiosk clock. Now I'm going to enter my 4-digit PIN that is unique to me as a foreman or project manager, and that's going to enter the phone into kiosk mode. So now I can hand the phone to another employee, and that employee is going to say tap to begin. They're going to enter their 4-digit code. So now this employee has already started break, so it's going to show that that employee is currently on break. So I'm going to hit end break. Now the employee is clocked in. They can hand the phone to the next person to do whatever they want to do. If you want to clock in or clock out, you just do the same thing. Tap to begin, enter the 4-digit code. Let's say it's now the end of the shift, and the employee is going to clock out. So now the employee's clocked out. Let's suppose now it's the employee wants to switch to another job site, or they've gone to a job because now the employee is currently clocked out. Tap to begin, 4-digit code. Now when you come in, it's going to first show you the job site that you've been most recently clocked into, which in this scenario was Sprouts. But suppose I've driven to a new job site, and I want to clock into the new job, so I need to hit the choose job button, and it's going to show my most recent jobs up at the top. So I'm going to suppose I want to clock into Jellystone. I need to choose the pay rate that I want to clock into, and it's going to tell me what job and task I'm clocking into, and I need to hit complete clock in down at the bottom. If I want to add notes, this is a good time to do that. And now you'll notice that my phone is offline because I'm in an area that does not have cell phone signal. So it's going to tell me that up at the top that there's one unsynced time. As a foreman, I would need to take my phone somewhere where it's going to get internet cell phone signal, and I would press the sync now button, and the office will have real-time data. As long as the phone has a cell phone signal when the person is clocking in and out, it's going to automatically sync. You don't have to press sync. But if you're outside of range, you'll need to take the phone somewhere to get a signal. When the foreman or project manager is done with their phone being used as the kiosk, all they have to do up at the top right is say exit kiosk, put in their 4-digit code. Now the phone is back to normal. And then now you can see, because I have not synced yet, if I wanted to sync, I would go up to the menu button up at the top left, and I could hit sync right here also. I'm not going to do it because I don't have a signal currently. And that's all there is to using kiosk.